Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It is regarding partial fraction. So this is little bit different from the normal questions which are always getting for under the partial fraction. But don't worry, I can walk through you by with a simple explanation to how to do the question. So let's see what is the question. So here they asked to find capital A and simple fx, and it is such as 18 plus x minus x squared over x minus 2 times x plus 2 squared. So the area which I highlighted, this should be, this rational expression should be break into a partial fraction. So it is a over x minus 2 plus fx over x plus 2 squared. This is not like a normal partial fraction. So anyway, they asked to find a and fx. So before going to the next part, we have to find the a and fx. So let's see what we can do here. So here we can get the common denominator. So a times x plus 2 squared plus fx times x minus 2, and the denominator should be x minus 2 here minus and x plus 2 square. So when you compare this RHS and with the LHS, this denominator is equal. Therefore we say 18 plus x minus x squared should be equal to a times x plus 2 squared plus fx times x minus 2. So to find a, we can put this part into 0. For that we have to select x as 2. So we say let x equal to, then 18 plus 2 minus 2 squared equal a 2 plus 2 squared plus 0. So when you simplify this, and you will get 16 and a times 16. So 16 16 cancel out, which means a is equal to 1. Okay. Now we have found the a value of a. Now we have to find the value of fx. For that, from this point, this part, we subject fx. So fx equal to 18 plus x minus x squared minus a is 1 now, then x plus 2 squared over, we divide by x minus 2. Then you will have fx. Okay. Let's move to the second part. The second part, they say find the fx, and we write the fx as a polynomial of x plus 2. Okay. Okay. So we have to copy fx from the previous part. So fx equal to 18 plus x minus x squared over x minus 2 and x plus 2x minus x plus 2 squared over x minus 2. So 18 plus x minus x squared minus, when you simplify this one, you will get x squared plus 4x x plus 2 squared. No? Okay. 4x and plus 4. When you simplify this one, you will get minus 2x squared and minus 3x plus 40. 2x squared minus 3x plus 40. Now we have to find the factors, but there is a denominator x minus 2. For find factors, it is easy to get minus out. Then you have 2x squared plus 3x minus 14 over x minus 2. Now we'll try to find the factors here. We assume that we have factors. Then this part should be x, 2x, and this is x. And we need to make 28 and 4 into 7. So this part should be 7. This part should be 2. And instead of having plus sign here, we put plus here and minus here. Okay, but yeah, our denominator is x minus 2, so x minus 2 cancel. Therefore, fx equal to minus 2x plus 7. Okay, the final part, they say that hence, this word is important, hence means using the previous part. So I have to resolve this expression into a partial fraction. Now our fx is minus 2x plus 7. So we can write this 18 plus x minus x squared over x minus 2 x plus 2 squared as a. A is what? Here a over x minus 2. So 1 over x minus 2. Now you have fx here. Fx over x plus 2 squared. Fx over x plus 2 squared. So we know that fx is minus 2x plus 7. So this part minus 2x plus 7 over here x plus 2 squared. X plus 2 squared. So still we found a little bit difficult to do the partial fraction. So because we miss one thing, it is that they are asked to express fx using the polynomial x plus 2. So I kept this part too for the final part to explain how to do this, how to write polynomial in x plus 2, fx in x plus 2. So we have 2x, first write 2x plus 7. So we need to x plus 2. Then just write x plus 2 and think about the first coefficient of the first term. This should be 2. Then we have 2x from this one, 2x, you get 2x. And the initial expression have minus here, so we put minus. Now you have minus 2x and here also minus 2x. And from LHS you have minus 7 here, minus 7. Here minus 4 to get that. put minus 3 here. So instead of minus 2x plus 7, we write this part 1 over x minus 2, and for this part minus 2 times x plus 2 minus 3 over x plus 2 squared. Now 1 over x minus 2, we divide this part by the denominator and this part by the numerator separately. So you have minus 2 over x plus 2 and minus 3 over x plus 2 squared. Okay, I think we have done the question, and one thing I have to say that this answer you can straight away get from by doing the normal partial fraction, but we have to write the answers according to the question given. That's why we first found the a and fx, and then move to the find fx by using x plus 2, and then only we move to the final part to having the total partial fraction. So always be careful when you're answering the questions. Even you can get the partial fraction, answer of the partial fraction, they won't give marks until you follow the the question. So we have to write the answers according to the question given. Okay, so we'll meet from another video. So until then, bye bye.